Hello, this is Mary Lavender. I'm one of your ACA 122 instructors here at Forsyth Tech. We're going to talk about baccalaureate degree plans at North Carolina A&T. And it's one of the schools that is part of the CAA. All of you, I'm sure, have seen your link on Blackboard to this particular window. We're going to go over here. I've already opened it up. And I have clicked here on North Carolina Community College Transfer and found the different links to all of our North Carolina state schools, all part of the CAA. Clicking on each of these links is all going to be very different. Not everything's going to look alike, but we're going to click on North Carolina A&T, and it will take us out to what they're calling the transfer curriculum guides. The goal here is to find your major, and you're going to find your BDP. We're going to choose biology, and it happens to be in the College of Science and Technology. Here is the biology BDP, and the first 2 years really should look very familiar to you. Take a look at that. This is what you're taking now. This is what you're signing up for classes here at Forsyth Tech. When you go to your junior senior year, in order to finish a bachelor's in biology at North Carolina A&T, because it's very, very specific here, this is what they're going to tell you to take to get your bachelor's in biology at North Carolina A&T. It's a lot of science. So the goal here is to find your BDP at the college of your choice. You have to know where your major is located, in which college or school, and your ACA 122 teachers can help you with that. And make sure that you have this BDP when you go to talk to your advisor while you're at Forsyth Tech. I hope this has been helpful.